up, everyone? It is finally done after like 4 fucking years.
Huzzah.
Huzzah, yes, huzzah. And oh boy, just as I fucking predicted all them years ago, I knew the case would make some goblins sieve. So yes, it is finally done. I can also play the video real quick as well, because I've got the video playing on in the background because this has no sound. But yes, it's finally done, and with people speculating for some reason with her having 32 fucking gigs of RAM. That is incorrect, by the way. She has 64. Back before the fucking RAM price hikes. The graphics card's imported from fucking America, so that's going to make some people sieve. The CPU is the same as current, but I'm not one of those PC elitists that dick measure around PCs. I don't give a fuck about that. But yeah, she has, the fans are in. She's also had a stress test, because Bond did perform her stress test. She has passed. Like it says on the screenshots as well, because you'll see that rolling through, because that's on loop. But I initially completed this back at the end of July. It was technically like complete when after like Windows was like done installing and shit, and it got completed like literally 2 days ago on the
Huzzah.
on the 9th. Back was Bond was there, and it was a team effort. Because initially, yes, I was going to build it with help from guidance of Bond, but then we kind of ran into some hiccups, and it would have been better to make it a team effort to do it. And Bon is having a break right now due to reasons I will not dive in too much, because of I respect his privacy and shit, and I'm not an
But
asshole.
he is happy what he's helped out with though.
Yeah,
So
cause
that's probably a good thing.
this was like his first like build ever. So much so he did post it on his Instagram as well. The good thing about that is though that the certain people won't be able to see it because he has it set to close friends only. So, but yeah, she's also got two hard drives in her. She's got an 8 TB hard drive in her and a 4 TB. Simply because with Renu, before I got like the external for like putting the video renders on that, she used to struggle with space because she had no fucking room due to reasons, and that's why it's like I want, when I rebuild her and like basically make a reincarnation of her, then I can just like have two hard drives to sort out the issue with like games, have games on one, renders on the other, so it saves me less of a headache, so I can render. She is alive, she is working. For some reason, no, I'm going to doubt the naysayers, because that's the reason why I was. Because you know how I am. I don't like say information about stuff that I'm cooking up. Especially when it's a fucking stranger, and the fact that this idiot kept fucking pushing and prodding and trying to
Yeah.
ask, and it's like. And of course, in narcissistic fashion, they are going with the incorrect information. So yes, this is basically the successor. So the only thing I've got to do, I'm slowly like getting like all the stuff, because I do need to get the program for like the AIO, so I can have like GIFs displaying on the display pump rather than the temperatures and shit that it is now. It is going to get tidied up later, and we're not going to do that shit right now because it did take a while, and Bon was just glad to fucking have it done at this point. So yeah, I am feeling a lot more calmer despite like the issues and shit. I will post pictures. I have protected them through AI usage, including like pictures going forward with posts, because certain fools who I won't name. But yeah, she is alive. She's very much working. This is not a dick measuring contest as well. Because that's the one thing that pisses me off with like the those kinds of fucking people, where they like compare like, oh ha ha, I got higher specs than you, and so ha ha ha, yours is inferior. I love how the rumors were apparently going around because we did actually get like information from Jay when he was like posting like stuff into the shit posting that apparently some idiots were like calling it an art project and shit. And it's like, no, it's not an art project. It's very much the PC that I plan to move on to when my current PC kicks the bucket, because it will eventually get to that point where she will kick the bucket, because I've had her for that long. So at least that way, I'm not out of the fucking PC. And should I mention as well the case? The case is a collector's item now. I didn't intend for that shit to happen back when I ordered it in 2023, but with a certain Western VTuber
company going defunct.
Yeah, basically shooting themselves in the fucking foot over a satanic VTuber. So yeah, the case is actually a collector's item now. And I'm guessing that's why some clowns are fucking obsessed, because it is a case that was limited time only. The keycaps were limited time only as well. So the keycaps you can see like when you see it through the video. I have moose keycaps as well. I've already decided on a name, but I'm just gonna let haters see, because at that point, like, we're just done with like haters. I'm not even bothering to entertain that crowd. I got my PC. I did what I intended to do. I need to just like get like software and drivers for stuff to when I migrate over, but that's like a slow no rush kind of thing. I can take my time with that, since how she is alive and she's very much working, and I'm very much happy, because unlike my other PC that's had so many fucking shit happen to it due to toxic individuals who I won't name, at least with this one I got a nice case, and it's not as tall as my Winu's case. So I'm actually quite happy with that. That it is good and it's there, and I'm happy with it. So yes,
That's good.
Naysayers, I'm going to like post like I'm going to correct like the parts that were like, you know, the ones from like the weird guesses that they assumed that it was gonna be, and how they assumed that it was gonna be fucking house fire or some shit.
Yes.
Like, how can this be a fucking house fire? She's got an AIO, for fuck's sake. But then again, we don't understand narcissistic people, and we have actually moved on, unlike certain individuals. But yeah, I'm not gonna bother editing this, because the video's already edited, because I did like a short version of this. I just did the video version of this with background, so my VTuber model can be in the part right there. So I'll have this uploaded before stream, so I can premiere it, and then I can premiere the short, and then just stream and let clowns see would be the best bet. So yeah, we'll see you later, and I hope you enjoyed. The comments as well will be locked to subscribers only. For the full specs, it's going to be Discord server exclusive only. So also, by the way, I can actually mention this, even though technically I don't have to, but we're not accepting like any new invites currently due to people taking advantage, and like Jay said, that trust can be revoked at any time. Basically, we're just not going to accept any new people because it's very clear. I'm glad I listened to my gut, because I never trusted Chino at all due to they gave me the ick. Simply because it didn't seem like autistic obsession. It felt like I'm going to prod and find out shit. So yeah. The server is not accepting any invites. It's on lockdown. It's private only. We're not going to accept any new people for reasons of people taking advantage of that trust and privilege, and we have decided to revoke that trust and privilege until people learn to not be narcissistic a-holes. But yeah, we'll see you later.
Bye, everyone.
See ya.